Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use your Zomato subscription or membership. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Zomato application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and set your location if you haven't already. Now, in order to go ahead and get your membership first, simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Simply click on Join Zomato Gold. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and join the Zomato Gold. Now, in order to use it, so let me just tell you what the benefits are. So the first thing is you're going to get a free delivery and surge fee waiver on orders above 100 from restaurants within 7 kilometers. And now you can also get up to 30% off on all partner restaurants, which are more than 20,000 restaurants. You can see their gold partners right over here, just like that. And as you can see, flat 50% off, flat 30%, 60%, 70% as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and